Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at some phrasal verbs with get. As you know, the British love their phrasal verbs. Have you seen these two? Get somebody down and get something down. Two different phrasal verbs, two different meanings. What do they mean? To get somebody down means to make them feel depressed, sad, unhappy. For example, all this waiting and delay got her down. To get something down means to write it on a piece of paper. For example, the reporter was trying to get down everything she said. Remember too, there's the literal meaning of get down. For example, you say to a child, "Get down from that chair, you'll fall off." Or to a dog, "Get down off of the sofa." So there you have it. Phrasal verbs with get. Get something down and get somebody down. With Uncle Geoff's help, they're both easy peasy. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hope so. Bye for now.